Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add a picture password to Windows 10. To do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click. You now need to click on Settings, and you now need to click on Accounts. We now need to go down to Sign In Options, and you now need to add a password, if you haven't already, to your Windows user account by simply clicking on the Add button underneath Password. Once you have done this, you will now be able to click on the Add button for Picture Password. I'm now going to click on Add, and you now need to type in your Windows password and hit OK. You now have a couple of options on the left hand side. You can either use the current picture that is on your screen, or you can select a new picture of your choice. As you can see, I have already selected a picture, and this is a picture of my old Subaru. You now need to click on Use This Picture, and you now need to click on the area of the picture which you would like to set your password to. For example, I'm going to use this left hand side alloy, the rear one, and I'm just going to do a right circle motion, just like that with my mouse whilst holding it down. And it did come up with a circle then, I don't know if you've seen that. As you can see, we have now gone across to the number 2. I'm actually going to do the same combination again 3 times. So now this is my 3rd time. I'm just going to go in a circular motion there. And I now need to confirm my gestures. So I need to do that 3 times again, like so. And there we go. That has now been set. That is now my new password to log into Windows. You do still have the normal password option as well, so don't worry if you cannot sign in using the picture, you can just use your normal Windows password. Once you have done that, press finish and go ahead and test out your new picture password. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.